Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry that I can't be with you live today on Microsoft Teams, but I do want to go over our whole morning routine together just so we can stay on the same schedule and we can continue our learning even though I can't be live with you. So you can stand up, put your right hand on your heart, and we will do the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good job. And our University School Pledge says, "Today is a fresh day at University Elementary School. I will follow procedures, be respectful, and responsible." Remembering that you can do that every day at your house. Our May lifeline is perseverance. We make a plan to reach our goal. And one thing I was thinking about perseverance is we don't just give up. If we can't reach our goal right away, we don't just give up. We keep trying over and over and over again. And I was thinking about a story about a time that I had to persevere. When I first started teaching, I had to teach 2 grades in one class. I had to teach kindergarten and first grade, and it was really, really hard for me. I would come home and I would feel like the kids weren't learning and I didn't know what to do, and I didn't know how to be a good teacher and teach 2 grades at one time. And I really had to persevere. I had to keep coming to work every single day, even though it was kind of hard, and I had to try new things. And I'm sure you've had to do that this year when you've been learning, like some things are just not going to work for you. And so you have to try something new to help you persevere so you can keep learning, so you can reach your goals, so you can complete your project, or so you can complete your work. Maybe today, as you're completing your work or as you're doing what you need to do at your house, you can think about a time that you have persevered, a time that you have shown perseverance. Maybe you really, really wanted to quit, but you kept going. All right, we'll read our morning message. Our morning message says, "Good morning. Today is Monday, May 17th, 2021. Can you rebuild this sentence with me? See the wee sun can." See the wee sun can? That doesn't make any sense, does it? Take a second and try to see if you can put this all together by yourself. If you need to pause this in order to get out maybe your whiteboard or a piece of paper, you can do that. See the wee sun can. It makes sense that it might start with this one because it's an uppercase letter. We. It's the only uppercase letter that I see in this whole bunch of words. We see, maybe it's we see the sun. That could be one. But then we didn't include the word can. We can the sun. We can see the sun. That makes the most sense. Did you see how I had to say it a few times to myself before I really got it? It's okay if you have to do that too. We can see the sun. Awesome. We can see the sun. All right. Now today we do not have a regular number corner calendar. There's no way for me to project that on the screen, unfortunately. So what you can do is take out your morning folder, go to your May calendar, and under Monday, right under Monday, May 10th, you can write Monday, May 17. You can write in your 17 for your calendar for May. Then we'll take a look and we will think about what day of school we're on. Ooh, Friday was 169 days of school. And so we know after the number 69, if we're counting, it goes 69, 70. So we're going to trade in these ones for a whole set of 10. Because remember, we can't put 10 ones in the ones column. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 10. We have 7 groups of 10. If we count them by tens, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have been in school now for 170 days. Wow. So then you can also make sure that you add in a counter right here for your chart for 170 days. Oh, and we got to make sure we have a 0 here because we do not have any ones in this column. All right, Friday. We said after Friday, we're only going to have 8 more days. This is our last full week of school. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we're done with school. So after today, after Monday, we're only going to have 7 more days of school. So I'm going to take away one of our sunglasses and write in our number 7. And you can even check that too if you look at your calendar and you count the days. You can see this is our last full week of school. And then next week, we only have 3 days of school until we're officially on summer break. And you guys are going to be done with kindergarten. You're going to graduate kindergarten and you get to go to first grade next year. All right, so today we're going to complete our math page in our morning folder. So we have our calendar page, and then there's a page right after that, and then there's a page right next to that. It has an 81 at the top of it. So if you need to pause this so that you can find the right sheet, you can pause it, and then when you're ready, you can complete it with me. The first set of directions say match. So they're telling us how many tens and how many ones. They want us to put the number together so we can make a whole number. 2 tens and 7 ones. Ooh, it's tricky because there's the number 72 and 27, 2 tens and 7 ones. But we know if we go back to our chart right here, if we had 2 sets of 10, if we just do it off here on the side, if we had 2 sets of 10 and we had 7 ones, if we counted them all together, we know we are going to have the number 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we can go back here and we can match 2 tens to 7 ones makes 27. What about 3 tens and 5 ones? 3 tens and 5 ones. Again, there's a 53 or a 35, which have a 3 and a 5 in both of them. So don't get tricked by this. 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, plus 5 more equals 35. 7 tens and 2 ones. 7 tens and 2 ones, 72. And the last one, 5 tens and 3 ones, we know is right here, 53. This one wants us to count up how many blocks that we see and write the whole number and then break the number apart by tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So you can write 98 in here. I might need to write a little bit smaller because as you can tell, this box is pretty small. 98. So we have 90 and 8. Together makes 98. All right. If we have 7 tomatoes and we take 3 away, how many will we have left? 4. If we have 17 and we take 3 away, how many will we have left? Now, instead of thinking about drawing out a huge picture, we can look at this picture. This bag is one set of 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are going to have 14 left over. The next one says 27, take away 3. We need to count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 left over. 24 left over. All right. One more than 14. You guys can do that one on your own. One more than 14. 15. 10 more than 14. You can count on your fingers, or you could think about counting by tens. 24. All right. This one wants to say, what does the number chart show? Looks like it has 2 sets of 10, 10, 20, 2 sets of 10. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 sets of 10, 6 ones. How many is that all together? 26. 26. All right. We're going to stop right there. We're just going to do the top half today. We'll do the bottom half some other time this week when we're working together. And I'm going to read our learning target. Actually, I don't have our learning target ready for us. I thought I did. I might have to rewrite it for you right now. Our learning target is, I can identify how a character's feelings change during a story. So we're going to be reading a story today. You're actually going to have to watch it on another video. I have to end this video, and then we have to do it on another video just because that's how it works. It's a video it's a story called Big Al, and it's about a fish right here and some other fish over here. So we're going to figure out how our character, Big Al, we're going to figure out how his feelings change from the beginning until the end of the story.